big issue with my apartment. It just no longer feels like me. I mean, like, you could probably even tell from the background, like, this is just, it's not giving. Today is gonna be a lot of the pre-work. We're going to be decluttering all the items that we don't want anymore. We're gonna be deep cleaning. We're gonna be organizing. It's kind of like a big out with the old, but we are also going to be planning for what we want, because I feel like what I've never actually done is go through and create a genuine mood board for what I want for my room. So it ends up just becoming like a big conglomerate of all these different aesthetics and not just like something clean and set. And we're gonna start creating our wish list. This is gonna be a really long series on my channel, like I'm thinking a year. So make sure to like and subscribe to stick around. And let's redo our room. This baby is getting put up next week and I'm so excited about it. My sheets are out of the wash, I made my bed, and I have quite the pile of things I'm decluttering. I honestly didn't get rid of as much like decor as I thought I was going to. And I'm not getting rid of any of it technically, I'm saving it. I'm either gonna put it on my bookshelves out in my living room because I feel like it matches the vibe out there better, or I'm gonna save it for like my future office. Oddly enough, I'm getting rid of these towels. These are definitely gonna be donated. I've just never ever used these. I don't go to the beach or pool often, and when I do, I always reach for the other towels I have that are a little more like aesthetic. And then there's just this little speaker radio. This might go to Goodwill low-key too, just because it's cute, it's fun, but it's so hard to actually use. Like, I got it on Amazon and I like it for decor. Order of business now. I don't know if you guys can see up there, but I have like my little like kind of like red collage of things right there, and I love that for so long. Like, I really did like it, but I just fear it is time to take it down. It just doesn't like fit the aesthetic of the vibes. So my room, it's obviously not complete, but what we can do today is done. We've decluttered, we've reorganized, we have gotten rid of things. I've also made a to-do list. This is what this is looking like now. This is what you can expect in future videos in this series. I think it would be so fun to do a video in this series that's like decor shopping. There's definitely gonna be some like furniture putting together videos. As of right now, I've done what I can do. So it's gonna be small changes, but to me, these are all like big things because I haven't seen these things not in my room in a long time. I'm gonna start here. I need to find something to put on this shelf. This is my favorite part of the room, my bookshelf. Like I said, I am a booktuber, so this is my romance shelf. My other shelves are in the living room. Here is one of the things I'm replacing for sure. Like, I want to just get this same cube system from Target, but in white. Here's where we kind of like lose the plot a little bit. So we have that sign that my boyfriend got me. I want to put it up so bad. I want to put it up so bad. Here is my bed. Look it's gone. It's so weird. I feel like it looks so empty to me. Like, this is such a big change. This is what my desk is looking like. Ignore down here because it looks messy, but this is, I have nowhere else to put these things. This is for a video on the book channel that will already be out. These jackets are normally pushed back, but I was able to kind of bring them out because this section is all of the clothes I pretty much own now. Like, pretty much all of these are the clothes I own, which is like not a ton. I mean, I do have a haul that I have to film and I have to add more to this, but so this is what it's looking like, at least from the doorway. I'm liking it. I think you guys are gonna be like, wow, it just looks clean now. But to me, this is a huge improvement already because we've gotten rid of a lot of the things that I was feeling like didn't match my vibe anymore. Hello, everybody. It is a few days later and it is time to tackle the living room. I almost don't even want to show you this. It looks objectively so bad. I need you guys to know my living room never looks like this. My room never looks like this. Dude, what? Guys, I just have to show you what I just walked out into. I know you guys saw the living room earlier, but it's just so nice. I'm so happy. This is what it typically looks like, but I haven't seen it clean like this in like a week and a half. Boom. Oh my god. Like, oh my gosh, it just looks so cute and Christmassy. This, I feel like I never really have nothing on my kitchen counter. I feel like I always have something here. I'm feeling so slay. Okay guys, it's the next day. It's finally time to tackle the bathroom. Legit has not been this bad, I think, ever. Oh my, guys, it's humiliating, it's humiliating. Counter is now nice and clean. Oh my god, I'm so thrilled. Now before we put back like the top of my makeup thing right here, I'm actually gonna go through with a makeup wipe and just wipe it all down so it looks like nice and pretty and new. Babies, we've had some exciting updates. So first of all, my boyfriend came over and put up my sign. He actually got me this for my birthday. It did make me cry because I was like, oh my god, he just like supports me in all my like little silly YouTube dreams, and it is the cutest thing ever. I love him so much. But he came over and put it up, which is really great because I typically film like sit down videos here. Then the next thing is really exciting. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell right away, but ready? Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh, the lighting. I finally, for the first time in 2 years that I've lived here, the entire time I've lived here, I've never had all of these light bulbs in, and I've never had bright lights in my bathroom. My bathroom, I've always like struggled doing my makeup. I've always struggled filming videos in here because I literally had one like warm yellow light bulb up there. Those are like the big changes we're making in this video. Like I said, this is a lot of like prep, but I'm feeling good. I feel like I'm starting to have my plan. I have my to-do list. Everything is deep clean. So now's the exciting part. I have created a Notion page that is basically like a wish list of all the things I want for my room, and I have my Amazon wish list linked in it too. So I do have an Amazon storefront. So if you see anything on my wish list for this room that you like and you're like, I want that for my room, you can go and click the link down below to my Amazon storefront. And then same for the most part with any of the other things that I show. I'll have those linked in my LTK below. So go check those out. I'm going to do some online browsing. I'm not gonna like buy too much right now. I might buy a few things because it's gonna be Black Friday soon. But before that, we're gonna do a little Pinterest scroll to get some inspo. So let's look at our Pinterest board. So I've been scrolling on Pinterest. This is my little inspo board that I've made. This has like all sorts of my room inspo. I don't know, guys. I just really like the look of it. Oh my god. Guys, we have a nightstand.